follow up is not an skill, it's a habit. Is it clear? Right? Well, follow up, yes, you need some skill, but that skill you already have. So it's a habit. And planning and prioritization is also a habit. Just like we do a brush every single day, it's a habit. Now, why we don't have right planning and prioritization? Can you tell me? I'm just trying to go to the root, the deep level today. Why we don't focus when we know? If I think, I think I spoken to you last week that you are supposed to spend 2 hours in a week to think. Is it clear to you? I told you, and you said I will spend those 2 hours on a day on a Sunday. You said at around 11 or 12 o'clock, right? I'm not sure whether you have done it or not, but I believe that you have. Even if you have not done, accept it. If you have done, tell me how was the experience.
I didn't ponder over it. I didn't spend time.
Exactly. You know why we don't spend? Because it was very simple to do. It's very simple to ignore it. Because उससे कुछ बहुत बड़ा आपको दिखता नहीं. But if I show my weekly planner over here. This is our. Can you see the color part? Can you see it? Can you see some chunks on the color part? Is it clear to you? Can you see the pointers I'm trying to show over here? Right? ये सब क्या है? ये सब पूरा वीक का पूरा प्लान है कि मुझे कौन-कौन से दिन क्या-क्या काम करना है. But it's okay. As in sales, I have to make phone calls. Something we have to do things which are not planned. It's okay. But again, if I framework on my week, then game change, right? So planning and thinking and prioritization is not happening because the challenge is not outside. Challenge is here. कर लेंगे. You can say a procrastination also, right? So अगर हमारा right mindset हमारे साथ में all the time हो, if you are on the right mindset, तो भी क्या लगता है कि आप ये planning and prioritization नहीं करेंगे? If you are on the right mindset, you understand the urgency of it, or you do it. What is the answer? If you have right mindset, still you will not do it, or you will do it if you have right mindset.
Definitely.
So it means that the problem is not in you. The challenge is our mindset is cheating us. Can you repeat this word? It's very important.
It's just because of the mindset.
Yes. So now you are aware कि मेरा mind मुझे cheat कर रहा है. I'm not cheating myself. My mind is cheating me. It's a very small thin lane between mind and you. You are not your mind. Is it clear to you? You are not your mind. You are not your hand. You are you beyond your mind, a consciousness who has the top authority which drive you. It's scripture talk and science talk. We are not our mind. So don't be in an illusion that you are your mind.
Hi. So if you like the ideology, if you like the content, and if you think that is something which you saw in this video is really valuable, then you do one thing. You can explore how my system and methodology can help you to grow your sales, grow your business, grow your revenue. For that, you do one thing. You don't trust on me. You trust on yourself. Do your research. What I suggest to you, I'm offering a free sales growth discovery session, which you can do by clicking on the link. And once you click on it, you will land on a page and you can schedule it for free. And on that session, I will tell you basics, nuts and bolts. What is the challenge? What you need to overcome? What is the problem? And how you can fix it. Within 30 days, you will see the difference in your mindset and your revenue and growth. And I will also give you my book called Sales Ka Sikandar for free. That's my gift to you because I believe giving and sharing is all equal to receiving. Once I give, I receive it. So thank you very much for watching me, and I will encourage you, highly encourage you to schedule a session with me, and then you see how your business and sales can grow. Thank you very much. You can subscribe this channel and you can give me a comment also. Thank you very much.